અશ્વ નંબર 62 અશ્વ નંબર 60 પોતાની ચાલ બતાવી રહ્યો છે. અશ્વ નંબર 62 તૈયારી રાખશે. લેશે અશ્વ નંબર 13 તૈયાર રહેશે. અશ્વ નંબર 62 પોતાની ચાલ બતાવી રહ્યો છે. અશ્વ નંબર 13 તૈયારીમાં રહેશે.
નંબર શું છે? 19 છે. નંબર 19.
અશ્વ નંબર 19 પોતાની ચાલ બતાવી રહ્યો છે. અશ્વ નંબર 107 અશ્વ નંબર 41 તૈયારીમાં રહે. અશ્વ નંબર 41
આજે ક્યાં જુઓ ને એમ ન કરે હું તમારા क्या मारता नहीं मारा क्या करना है
ભૈરવસિંહજી બરકાના, શ્રી શંકરરાવ પાંડુરંગ ભુજના તેઓ તૈયારીમાં રહે. એમના અશ્વનું થોડી વાર પછી જજિંગ કરવામાં આવનાર છે. ઉત્તમ આ કાઠિયાવાડી અશ્વમાં અશ્વના માલિકો અશ્વ નંબર 8, અશ્વ નંબર 14, અશ્વ નંબર 20, અશ્વ નંબર
अनाउंसर किया है छाया ले जाए How many minutes? 2? 3 minutes? 4 minutes?
Yuvraj sir, very personal question in the venue of this Waganer Horse Festival. Tell us your personal and your deepest feeling about horses and Kathiawad horses. What are you?
Well, as a person from Kathiawad,
Obviously, my affiliation, association and love for the breed is very deep and intense. But this horse show, this horse festival that we are observing today for the 3 days is a dream come true. I had this great desire to see that we have a large number of Kathiawadi and Marwadi horses collected. I won't be wrong when I say that perhaps for the first time after independence, that a show of this kind is being held, where a horse breeders association dealing with ethnic breeds of horses of India collect, and at the instance of an association called the Kathiawadi and Marwadi Horse Breeders Mandal with over 600 members, coming here, bringing their horses, 200 of them are here, and participating in not one but about 14 different events, competitive events, where they'll be performing and excelling, and prizes being given for their various events. The Kathiawadi and Marwadi are two breeds which have gained international recognition, and I'm proud to say that I think I played an important part in initially getting the Kathiawadi horse internationally recognized in 1970 as a breed by itself, which was followed by the Marwadi and Spiti and Zanskari from other parts of India. But by far the best known are these two breeds, and we in Gujarat are proud to have both the breeds within the Gujarat state. And there are other horse festivals like this taking place, but this is a movement from the masses, movement from below, movement of the breeders, not promoted or sponsored by any individual or any particular person. It is of the people, by the people, and for the people. And I was very impressed to see such a fantastic response of so many horses coming to Wakaner, and I'm sure in the years to come it will gain more and more popularity. And it is not only the love for the horse, which of course is paramount, but in this case it's love for our area, for our cultural heritage, for our for the history of this area. All the ballads and songs are all woven with the story and history of the Kathiawadi horse. So this is an expression of that.
But as a person from Saurashtra, how would you define the importance of a horse in the life of India? What is a horse to a person from Kolkata?
Traditionally, it had always been an expression of great pride and feeling. But now, of course, with the modern methods of communication, the horse doesn't have the same usefulness. But it still acts as a very useful vehicle for travel in the remote parts of the area. More than that, we are trying to find a market for this beautiful animal globally. And as a member of the National Equine Development Board of the Government of India, I'm seeing to it that the animal gets recognition in international horse shows like this. And if we find a market, it should certainly create an incentive to the breeders.
Would it be correct if we say that Kathiawar without horses is artificial?
Kathiawar and the Kathiawadi horse are one and the same. You cannot distinguish one from the other. And we are proud to be a Kathiawadi where the Kathiawadi horse is evolved.
માં આવી જાય
He will be here. भाई आप इधर आ जाओ.
Hold your. Stop. Up.
Rolling. सीधे दिल्ली बुलाते हैं भाई.
हाँ तो रेडी रेडी.
બે નંબર હા રેડી
बैटरी गई क्या? हाँ रेडी रेडी. बोलो यार.
છગનલાલ રાજકોટ સિટી આપણે આ કામા અશ્વશો અને રમત નિમિત્તે આપણી સાથે નવા ઘણા મેમ્બરો જોડાઈ રહ્યા છે. ગામડાઓમાં મીટાવી રહ્યું છે. આપને જાણીને આનંદ થશે મારી આ કામા અશ્વશોને સહકાર આપે નવા મેમ્બરો इरफान भाई जी इरफान अहमद दिव्यादा बाकानेर राणा दिग्विजय सिंह प्रणाम सिंह कंसारिया दादल जिलूभाई विक्रम भाई किपड़िया राणा राजेंद्र सिंह मम्मा सिंह सदाका राणा बीके सुखेंद्र दशरथ सिंह अजन सिंह कोटरा તેઓ પોતાના અશ્વ સાથે તૈયારી મારે અશ્વ લગામમાં હરીફાઈ માટે સિવિલિયન સવારો પોતાના અશ્વ સાથે તૈયારી મારે
ભાઈ તમે જવા દો આગળ નગર મારા તો ઘર નહીં
તૈયારી મારે તૈયારી મારો
ચલો
અમદાવાદ સિટી પોલીસ અશ્વર સુરેશ પંચાલ અશ્વરનું નામ મુરલી મેમ્બરશીપ ધીમે ધીમે આગળ વધે છે. મિનિટે એક મેમ્બર